Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to share a TED Talk that inspired you, highlight one of your social media posts, or add a podcast that you were featured in, it only takes a few clicks. In this video, I will show you how to quickly embed content into your WordPress website. An embed lets you display content from other websites like YouTube, Spotify, or, for example, X. It's a perfect way to add media such as music, videos, surveys, maps, and more. When you click on the inserted top left, you can scroll to embeds to view all the available embed blocks. You could add an embed block and then insert the relevant URL, but WordPress has made it even easier for users. You don't have to insert the block first. Just paste a supported URL directly into your post or page, and WordPress will embed it for you automatically. And when we open the list view, we will see the YouTube embed block. Let's look at another example. In the list view, you will notice I've added a columns block with 3 equal columns, and I've already added 2 songs from Spotify. Let's move on to the third column. I've already copied the song link, and when we paste the link, it will be added to the page automatically. And when we turn our attention to the list view, we will see the Spotify embed block. And then we can check it out on the front end. If you have added a URL that is not supported by WordPress.com, you can always use the custom HTML block. Let's go ahead and add the custom HTML block by typing /HTML and then selecting the block. Then we can make our way to our social media platform, in this case Instagram, click on the post, and then the 3 little horizontal dots. Make your way to embed, and then copy the embed code. Then we can return to our website, and then paste the code into our block. And then you can click on preview. And that's it. As you can see, with just a few clicks, you can add external content to your site while saving on storage space. Thanks for watching, and please remember to hit the subscribe button to stay in the loop with new tutorials and tips. See you next time.